Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Becoming a successful YouTuber is a multifaceted journey that combines creativity, strategy, and persistence. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you navigate this path, drawing insights from various expert sources. Number one, define your success and niche. Personal definition: success is not just about monetization. It could mean reaching a specific subscriber count, creating impactful content, and building a community. Define what matters to you. Niche selection: choose a focused topic, e.g., gaming, education, beauty, that align with your interests and expertise. A niche helps you target a specific audience and stand out in a crowded space. Authenticity: infuse your unique personality into your content to build a genuine connection with viewers. Number two, plan and set up your channel. Content strategy: develop a content plan that includes video ideas, a posting schedule, and goals. Use tools like Trello or Google Calendar to stay organized. Channel setup: create a visually appealing channel with a memorable name, professional banner, and channel trailer. Use platform like Canva for design templates. Verification: verify your YouTube account to unlock features like custom thumbnails and longer uploads. Number three, invest in essential equipment. Start simple. Beginner friendly gear includes a smartphone with a good camera, a basic microphone, and natural lighting. Upgrade as your channel grows. Software: use editing tools like Descript or Adobe Premiere Pro to enhance video quality. Studio setup: ensure a quiet, well-lit space for recording to maintain professional quality. Number 4. Create high-quality content. Engaging videos. Focus on storytelling, clarity, and value. Avoid lengthy introduction. Grab viewers' attention early. Consistency: stick to a regular upload schedule, e.g., weekly, to bullet audience, expectations, and trust. Trend and series: capitalize on trending topics and create video series to keep viewers coming back. Number 5. Optimize for SEO and discovery. Keywords: research keywords using tools like Ahrefs or Google Keyword Plan. Include keywords in titles, description, and tags. Thumbnails and titles: design clickable thumbnails and craft titles that are catchy and keyword rich. Description and tags: write detailed description to 150 plus words and use relevant tags to improve search ranking. Number 6. Engage with your community. Respond to comments, acknowledge and reply to comments to foster a loyal community. Live streams and Q&As. Use YouTube Live to interact directly with viewers and host interactive sessions. Collaborations. Partner with other creators to expand your reach and bring fresh content to your channel. Number 7. Promote your videos. Social media. Share videos on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Engage irrelevant communities without spamming. Cross promotions. Repurpose content into blogs, podcasts, or shorts to attract diverse audience. Giveaway and contest. Host events to encourage subscriptions, comments, and shares. Number 8. Monetize your channel. YouTube Partner Program aim for 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours to enable ad revenue, diverse income streams, explores sponsorship, affiliate marketing, merchandise, and fan donation. Niche earnings. Note that niches like finance and tech typically have higher CPMs, $2 to $5 per 1000 views compared to lifestyle $0, 0.5 to $2. Number 9. Avoid common mistakes. Do not chase numbers. Focus on content quality rather than obsessing over views and subscribers. Avoid copyright issues. Use royalty free music and assets from platforms like Artlist to prevent strikes, prevent burnout, maintain a sustainable workflow by setting and taking breaks. Number 10. Analyze and adapt. YouTube analytics. Monitor metrics like watch time, audience retention, and traffic sources to refine your strategy. Alliance audience feedback. Use comments and surveys to understand viewers' preference and generate new ideas. Stay informed. Keep up with industry trends and algorithms. Change to keep your content relevant. Conclusion. Becoming a successful YouTuber requires patience, adaptability, and willingness to learn. By combining strategic planning, authentic engagement, and continuous improvement, you can turn your channel into fulfilling and potentially profitable venture.